I'm getting ready to sew the Velcro. Now Velcro is very tricky. A couple things that I did was I put my needle in the right position, so it's moved over this way. I just wanted to catch the very edge here. It's not as important on this piece, which is the softer side, but it will definitely be important when I do the piece that's like rougher and plastic with the hooks, and I will be doing that onto the shield itself. So for right now, I'm gonna put this down and I'm just sewing, but trying to catch that, just that edge. I'm gonna use, on this piece, I am using the fabric to match, or string to match the fabric. But let me get this going. It's just really thick. There we go. Now we're going. So I'm trying to keep it to the edge. Once again, if I miss an edge, if I go back, I just can put it in reverse, catch the edge. You can see how narrow that is. The sewing stitch line to the edge of it. And so I'm just gonna keep going. Now, when I get towards the end of it, the piece, hold on. All right, I'm going to put it down and I'm going to lift up my needle, or keep my needle down, but lift up the foot of it. Now I'm gonna go one way and I'm actually gonna reverse it and go all the way back. Now I'm gonna go forward again. We wanna reinforce these ends because they get a little bit extra tugging. And then I will go around, finish up this other side. Okay, so